This is a series of videos in which Philip Maris interviews Dr. John Ricketts, the author of the book Exceeding the Goal: Adventures in Strategy, Information Technology, Computer Software, Technical Services, and Goldratt's Theory of Constraints. John, in this series about constraint management applied to information technology, I'd like now to ask you about IT budgets. This is a subject that's close to my heart in the sense that I now have more and more of my large corporation clients in which they've searched for the constraint that determines their growth potential, how they're going to make more money now, how they make more money in the future. It's ended up being often their IT is the constraint to building that future. So obviously the IT budgets are right in the heart of that.
Every discussion of technical strategy eventually works its way around to budgets. In constraint management, a budget covers both investment and operating expense. Investment is money spent on land, buildings, machinery, inventory, and technology. Operating expense is money spent turning investment into revenue, minus spending on material and parts, if any. For example, in IT, investment pays for hardware and software. Operating expense pays salaries and benefits, rent and furnishing, and utilities. IT budgets are like storage space. You just never have enough. In IT startups, budgets go mostly to implementing new systems. In going concerns, budgets are dominated by operations, mandatory projects, and legacy systems, which leaves a lot less for new systems. Operations and mandatory projects, such as regulatory compliance, cannot be avoided, and replacing large complex legacy systems outright can be the highest risk option. So how to solve this budget problem? Prioritize revenue generation and return on investment instead of cost savings, because the benefits of most cost-saving projects are an accounting illusion. Despite lofty goals, costs usually don't go away. So how can that be? Lots of projects are justified by anticipated cost reduction. Yet when the project is complete, payroll, rent, utilities, and other expenses don't change, because nothing in the business really changed. If the project does manage to create some slack, it just gets reallocated to other purposes.
Great, John. Thanks very much. Okay, so now that we've talked about IT budgets, in the next video we're going to talk about how you align the technical strategy and business strategy.